Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and this is the second video about transitioning from chest to head. In most cases, beginners do it like this. I will show you this in the vowel sound. This is just break. So when we do this, we have to keep in mind only two things, at least two things. The first one, sound forward. Don't sound like this. Don't sound like this in your head voice. It sounds like the sound is far away, like the sound is far away. I won't be explaining the anatomy of the sound today. I just want to tell you, sound more forward, like a cartoon character. Pretend that you're an actor and you're voicing a cartoon character, like, hello, la 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 la, hello, how are you, my friend? Instead of, okay, forward instead of far away sound, a distant sound. And the second thing, don't drop your breath support this fast. Don't drop it too fast. So the beginners do it like this. Don't drop it this fast. Make it gradually. So again, two things. The first one, forward sounding like a cartoon character, like hello, la la la, hello, instead of and the second thing, don't drop your breath support too fast, and you will have perfect transition. And one more thing. Most beginners think about head voice like it sounds like this by default. But this sound, it's not head voice by default. This is also head voice. This is cartoon kind of cat voice. This is also head voice. Hello. So think about the head voice like it sounds like this. Keep this in mind when you transition. So when you start transitioning from chest to head, keep this in mind, that the head voice is not this, but it is this. Remember this when you practice. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.